दूसरे टर्नर में क्या पूजा, व्हाट इज द करंट लोकेशन?
My current location is Navi Mumbai.
Do you know this is work from office for days?
Yes, I am okay with that.
How would you manage? Navi Mumbai is too far from days.
Yes, I will be shifted to that place only.
Can you brief me about your experience?
Okay, previous organization, my office location that place only. Chakala JB Nagar, nearby metro station. Okay.
You are comfortable to face interview as well?
Yes, I am comfortable.
Can you brief me about your experience?
Yes, I can, but your voice is coming very low.
I am saying, can you brief me about your experience, job experience?
Okay, sure. Myself, Pooja. I am from Bihar, but currently live in Mumbai. I have done my MCA, and my current organization is Clover Infotech, and I have total years of experience, 3 years. And currently, I am working microservices, Spring Security, MySQL database, Spring MVC, Spring Boot, exception handling, collection, multi-threading, OOPS concept, Java 8, etc. That's all. Hello? Am I audible? Hello? Hello? Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, yeah, I am out. Tell me few things. I am going to ask the question.
Okay.
What is OOPS concept in Java?
OOPS concept, object oriented programming system, is concept which is work on polymorphism, encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction, etc. Abstraction means hiding of implementation details is called as abstraction in Java. We can achieve abstraction by using interface and abstract class. And encapsulation refers to bundling of data with the method that operate on data, restricting direct access to the variable. This variable is non-static. To access this variable, we develop getter and setter. For example, encapsulation. A capsule, it is wrapped with different medicine. Polymorphism means many forms. If we develop a feature in such a way, we can take more than one from depending on the situations. For example, a man at the same time is a father, an husband, an employee. So the same person processing different behavior in different situations. There are two types of polymorphism, runtime polymorphism and compile time polymorphism. We can achieve runtime polymorphism with overriding. Overriding means we inherit the method and then we modify the logic of inherited method in child class by once again creating a method with the same signature in child class. But in compile time polymorphism, we can achieve compile time polymorphism with overloading. We create more than one method in same class with same name, provided they have different number of arguments or different type of arguments. Basically, main difference of method overriding and method overloading means method override always occur in two classes like parent and child class, and method name and method signature parameter must be same override in the child class. Sorry. But in a method overloading, it will be always occur only one classes, and method names may not be same, but parameter must be different in method overloading concept. And inheritance means we inherit the member from parent class to child class. Means example of inheritance means a child inherits the property of her parent class. There are four types of inheritance: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance.
Okay. Fine. And what about multi-threading?
Multi-threading means at a time execute more than one thread, and the execution of the path of execution of each thread is separate and it is independent. So if any exception occur in the thread, then other thread would not be affected because of the path of execution of each thread is separate and it is independent.
Okay, now I'm giving you few questions. Okay, few problem. You need to solve it. Okay,
Yeah, I can do.
can you share your screen, please?
Yeah, of course. My screen is visible.
Yes, visible. Once again, I'm giving you questions. In your chat box. Okay. Check your chat box.
Can I use like Eclipse?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, it's done. Am I audible?
What is the answer?
It will receive the reversed 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. I'm giving you another one.
I didn't receive.
Do it, please.
Hello.
Yeah, you done?
Yeah, it's done.
What is the answer?
Here answer is 2. None number of none correct repeating character here 2. Here
Okay. Fine. So that's all from my side. Okay. We'll get back to you for your further update.
sorry.
I'm saying that's all from my side.
Okay.
Okay. You're done with the coding. So that's all from my side. So Lolit will get back to you on the same. Right?
I'm not understanding. Actually, your voice is coming very slow.
We will get back to you. Okay?
Okay. Okay, thank you.